Oh, hey folks, Elder Law Care Attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from elderlawcare.com. A subscriber to our YouTube channel sent a great question in. Hey Patrick, can you give us some tips, recommendations, and steps for smooth transition, caregiving responsibilities for our loved one? A lot of families across the country are taking care of their loved ones at home, right? My late dad ended up in a nursing home. Prior to that, my mom took care of him at home the best that she could. 8 years later, my mom sadly became incapacitated at home as well and almost ended up on the doorstep of a nursing home after several seizures and medical visits to the hospitals and things of that nature. So we had a plan in place, and you should also. So get your pen out, your notebook, pull up your chair, and let's get to work. All right. Smooth transition responsibilities. These are responsibilities of the family members. Responsibilities. It all starts with this person here. You need a team leader, a TL, quarterback, and that's often, from my experience, the healthcare agent, all right? If you do not have a written healthcare proxy, you need to put that in place ASAP, right? As soon as possible. Healthcare proxy. Who your agents are in that healthcare proxy, all right? You should have one agent, all right? That's your number one child who is suitable to make medical decisions, responsible medical decisions, right? And then you should have a backup. You should always have at least one backup, okay, in case the first one is not available. And that typically, from my experience, should be the team leader who's holding, number two, family meetings, okay, about scheduling family meetings with the family, but also with the medical providers. It could be the CNAs, certified nursing assistants, the registered nurse, maybe sadly a hospice nurse, all right, maybe even a doctor, all right. Family meetings with the family members who are responsible for managing and monitoring the care for your loved one, maybe even doing some hands-on care as well. Sadly, when my mom was home on hospice, me and my 6 brothers had a caregiving schedule. Some of my brothers put the schedule together, and it was our job to follow the schedule to the best of our ability. We hired some private paid nurses to come in to help my mom with her showering and dressing and things of that nature. In the medical administration of the medicine, we could handle some of that with guidance, okay? But you want to have these meetings with the parties involved, helping with the caregiving services. And you should have a schedule and a calendar. Who's responsible for what day and what time, okay? Day, time, hours, present, and what their responsibilities will be. You need to put that in writing and then disseminate it, send it out, typically in an email, so all family members know what the schedule is and be available to answer any questions or concerns, okay? You got to make sure that you have coverage at all time. Sadly, one time I do recall where my mom, she had one nurse there, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Well, guess what? The 7 p.m. nurse never showed up. So you want to have residual plan Bs in place, another family member who can now step in and handle the caregiving services until you get maybe the medical professional back on the following morning. You got to be prepared for those situations, okay? Because they can and will happen.